Making a clean getaway. Mastering the art of escape in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, make a clean getaway. Have you ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations? Well, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and unlock the secrets behind this intriguing expression. The phrase, make a clean getaway, has a vivid imagery and a specific meaning. It refers to escaping from a situation, often after doing something wrong, without being caught or facing any consequences. The word, clean, here signifies that the escape is smooth and untroubled, with no traces left behind or complications arising as a result. Interestingly, the origins of this phrase are tied to criminal activities, where it was crucial to leave no evidence behind. However, in modern times, its usage has expanded. It's not only used in the context of crime but also in everyday situations where someone wants to exit a scenario smoothly and without issue. For example, leaving a party early without drawing attention or slipping away from an awkward conversation. To better understand how to use, make a clean getaway, let's look at some examples. 1. After pulling the prank, they managed to make a clean getaway before anyone could catch them. 2. She made a clean getaway from the office party, citing an early meeting the next day. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, applicable in both light-hearted and more serious contexts. When using make a clean getaway, it's important to remember the context. It's perfect for situations where an escape or departure is executed smoothly and without any negative repercussions. Here are a few tips. Use it to add color and intrigue to your storytelling. It's best suited for informal conversations. Be mindful of the tone. It can be humorous or serious depending on the context. And there you have it, folks. You're now well equipped to use the phrase, make a clean getaway, in your English conversations. Whether you're narrating an amusing incident or describing an adept exit strategy, this phrase is sure to enrich your linguistic toolkit. We hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your daily conversations to master the art of the perfect escape. Until next time, happy learning!